Okay, we are back. It's 20 minutes later. So what we'll do next is to roll all of this. Each of it will be rolled separately, and our precious coconut will be spread along as we roll it. Okay. Okay, so our surface will be flawed, and we will lie this here, punch it down, sprinkle little flour, okay, and we will roll this up. Okay, we'll fold this up. I love working with dough. This kind of dough, you can tweak it the way you love it, shape it the way you want it. So we will roll this up. My work surface is actually small, so I'm not getting enough space as it should be. Just bear with me. Okay, so our pans are already prepared. We buttered it up. We will sprinkle our shredded coconut. Don't forget this was fried earlier, not with oil but with butter. Okay, this is homemade, so we can afford to put as much coconut as we wish. And then you roll it up. I'm sorry, I'm gonna cover the camera a little bit, just like so. Okay, just know that you're rolling this up. All right, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Okay, we've reached the end of the road. So you apply a little flour to your fingertip and you try to massage this to come together. Okay, and we will lay this. Okay, so we will sprinkle our shredded coconut. Don't forget, this is homemade. It's for my family consumption, so I can afford to put as much coconut shred as I desire. Go ahead and make yours the way you love it. Okay, so after this we will roll this up. Okay, just the way you fold your mat. Roll it, roll it, keep rolling it. Okay, just keep rolling it. Okay, okay, so just use your fingertip and seal this up. And we will turn this side, the edge, into the pan, facing it downward this way. Okay, just like so. So you roll it just like so. Okay, this will be turned downward into the pan. Isn't this beautiful? This at the end of the folding will be covered and allowed for 1 more hour or less. Please, I strongly advise you keep checking your dough after 45 minutes so that it will not overrise. Once it's double in size, it's okay for you to take it into the oven.